everyone. Hi Melissa.
Hi Jerry.
Clip 5 now, in which Melissa is gonna share with us how sleep and rest is great in helping us to relax.
Yes. Excellent quality sleep or proper sleep is absolutely excellent stress buster. And there are some simple things that you can do to help improve the quality of your sleep, improve the duration of your sleep, so you just wake up feeling more rejuvenated and lower your stress levels. So I'll begin first of all by just telling you a few things not to do, and then I'll tell you what you should do, or what would be more beneficial. So generally before bed, you want to avoid heavy meals. You want to avoid caffeine, sugar, smoking as well. Nicotine actually mimics all of the same stress response that in your body as fight and flight. So avoid smoking and avoid any stimulating conversations, stressful conversations, stimulating activities like video games, and maybe at the moment actually avoiding the news directly before bed would probably be a good idea. Just move that for a different part of the day. And in terms of things that you can do that is helpful is to have any sort of relaxation practice before bed, like a warm bath, to practice yin yoga, to practice meditation, anything that will start to help switch your body into that rest and digest response and to prepare you for a deep sleep. You can also read something relaxing. You can practice your deep breathing. That's an absolutely excellent thing to do before bed, again, because that just has such a quick and immediate impact on your body. And if you find yourself in bed and not falling asleep for about 20 to 30 minutes, rather than stay in bed, it's much better to get out of bed, to do something that relaxes you. And then when you feel tired, then you go back into bed. So those are just some simple things that you can do. So I would recommend directly before bed, just do some deep breathing once you arrive in bed. And you can, even when you lie there, just do a body scan. So just scan through your body, progressively relax all of the muscles in your body. If you notice any holding, you can let them go. And just focus into your body. Maybe allow your body to feel as though it's sinking more relaxed into the bed. And breathe deeply, and then allow yourself to transition into a peaceful and restful sleep.
Yeah, these are all great tips to really get a better rest, and then I think, as you say, sleep is so important. It's probably the time where our body is recovering, and it's where it's getting the energy that we need for the next day. So then everything that can improve our sleep is a great thing to do. Yeah,
definitely, yes.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.